5 of the best types of stone flooring. Dear friends, because of their durability and strength, natural stones are a noble and elegant choice for any home. The best types of stone flooring can suit all homes, adding value and a sophisticated finish to your space. Different types of stone flooring will work in most rooms, whether you have a contemporary or modern home. From the palest marble to the darkest slate, the design possibilities of stone flooring are incredibly wide and very durable. Stone floors are widely considered to add value to a property, but choose wisely, as once laid you won't want to change them for years. 1. Granite. Granite is available in various colors and finishes. Colors range from blue and purple shades to gray and olive green, often including rusty red markings. It has proven to be a flexible choice as it can be adapted to most home aesthetics. It is incredibly durable, so it will work great in high traffic areas like a hallway or a kitchen. 2. Slate. Slate is a more affordable choice within the spectrum of natural stone floorings. It works great in wet areas like bathrooms and the kitchen. You have to be mindful of any acidic spills. It is available in a wide variety of finishes, giving a unique look to your home. 3. Marble. Marble floors always add value and sophistication to your space. Similar to granite, it can be found in a wide range of shades, from various grays through to green and black. Marble floors are always a better choice in areas of low foot traffic like bathrooms or even a kitchen if you don't use it too much. 3. Limestone. Limestone is an amazing choice for a rustic type of look. Occurring in many tones, from nearly white to the more common warm honey, as well as rarer grays and dark browns. Textures range from even-grained stones to smoother types resembling marble. It is resistant to mold and bacteria, so it works well as a bathroom option or for an outdoor project. 5. Travertine. It is an elegant and character-filled material. When installed correctly, travertine is one of the most durable stones for bathrooms and showers. It is an excellent choice for outdoor areas or around swimming pools, as it is both durable and slip-resistant. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.